Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel The Truth of India, and I'm Cham. Today we are going to talk about Samsung Galaxy F17, which is launching in India tomorrow. Samsung is bringing the smartphone in the mid-range segment. The phone is expected to focus on display quality, camera performance, and long battery life. So in this video, I will cover design, display, performance, camera, battery, software expected price, and whether this phone is worth buying or not. Make sure you'll watch this video till the end. Samsung Galaxy F70 is expected to come with premium and modern design. Display 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, punch hole front camera design, slim bezels, and solid build quality. Samsung's AMOLED display are known for the vibrant colors, deep black, and excellent brightness, which makes this phone perfect for YouTube, Netflix, gaming, and daily uses. In this price segment, a 120Hz AMOLED display is a big advantage. Let's talk about the performance. Samsung Galaxy F70 is expected to power by Exynos 1480 or Snapdragon 7 series processor. RAM and storage option 8GB and 12GB RAM, 128GB or 256GB internal storage. This phone will easily handle multitasking, social media apps, video editing, and normal gaming. Samsung's own UI optimization also provides stability and long-term performance. For regular users, this phone should feel smooth and reliable. Now come to the most important thing, camera setup. Camera has always been Samsung's strong point, and the Galaxy F70 continues the trend. Expected rear setup, triple rear camera, 108 MP primary camera with OIS, 8 MP ultra wide camera, and 2 MP macro sensor, and 32 MP selfie camera for video calling and video recording. Daylight photos are expected to be sharp and natural colors, but the night photography should improve due to the OIS support. For video recording, Samsung image stabilization will help in producing stable and clear videos. This phone can be a good choice for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and content creation. Now, battery and charging. Samsung Galaxy F70 is expected to feature 6000 mAh massive battery, 35 watt fast charging support. With a battery size, you can easily get one full day, even more on single charge. Whether you're watching videos, browsing the internet, or gaming, battery and anxiety will not be a problem. This is one of the biggest highlight of the Galaxy F17, that is software and the features. Expected software and the features, Android 14 based on One UI. In display or side-mounted fingerprint sensor, face unlock, 5G connectivity, dual SIM support, Samsung Knox security. Samsung is known for providing long-term software updates and security patches, which adds extra value to the smartphone. And now the most important thing, expected price. Samsung Galaxy F70 is expected to launch in India around 24,000 to 28,000, and at this price bracket it will compete with smartphones from Redmi, Realme, Oppo, OnePlus, and Motorola. If Samsung prices it aggressively, this phone could become a strong mid-range option. Now, the most important thing, should you buy Samsung Galaxy F70 or not? You should consider always F70 if you want a high quality AMOLED display, reliable camera performance, long battery life, clean and stable software. Trusted Samsung brand. This phone is ideal for students, working professionals, and content lovers. So, friend, this was the complete preview of Samsung Galaxy F70 India launch. After this official launch, we will share full review, camera samples, and best offers, and complete specification. Now, what do you think about Samsung Galaxy F70? Let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, thank you so much.